Swagbucks offers change regularly, and the best opportunities usually come from checking the available tasks inside the app before spending time on any single offer. By the end, you'll know how to find the best Swagbucks offers, which details to compare before starting, and how to avoid wasting time on low-value tasks. Start by opening Swagbucks and checking the offers section. The available options can include different types of activities, so the best choice depends on what is currently available on your account. The first thing to check is the reward amount. Compare how much Swagbucks you can earn with the amount of time and effort required to complete the task. A higher reward does not always mean a better offer. Some offers require more steps, while others can be completed with fewer actions. Read the requirements before starting. The second thing to check is the completion rules. Each offer explains the actions you need to complete, and missing one step can prevent the reward from being credited. Before accepting an offer, look for details like required actions, deadlines, and eligibility rules. Completing the task exactly as described gives you the best chance of receiving the reward. The third thing to check is whether the offer matches your situation. Some users prefer surveys, some prefer shopping-related offers, and others prefer app or game-based tasks. Choose offers that fit the activities you already plan to do. This helps you avoid spending extra time on tasks that do not match your goals. If you start an offer, keep proof of your progress. Save screenshots of important steps, confirmation pages, and completed actions. These details can help if a reward does not appear correctly. You should also check the Swagbucks offers section regularly because available tasks can change. An offer that appears today may not be available later, and new options can replace older ones. Avoid starting multiple complicated offers at the same time. Tracking one task carefully makes it easier to complete requirements and identify problems. To summarize, the best Swagbucks offers are the ones with clear requirements, suitable rewards, and tasks that match your time and preferences. Your next step is to open Swagbucks, compare the current offers, and choose one with requirements you can complete fully. If this guide helped you find better Swagbucks offers, like the video and subscribe for more earning app guides.